Okay, we're going to start off with 1 tablespoon of liquid smoke. This is some of the best stuff to use in your greens. Then we're going to add a 1/2 cup of onions. We have 1 tablespoon of salt. We have 1 tablespoon of garlic powder and 1 tablespoon of seasoning salt. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of red peppers. We have 2 cloves of garlic. 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper. We have 1 packet of Lipton onion soup. Yes, Lipton onion soup. This is the broth that I use. Then we're going to use the packages to make the other 3 cups. That was 3 cups of Lipton onion soup. Then we're going to use 1 pack of this out of the noodles. We have those 2 packages, and I have 3 cups of water right here, and I'm going to mix that together, and that's going to be my other 3 cups of water. I'm using 6 cups. I used 3 cups with the Lipton soup, and I'm going to use 3 cups with the to stir it. I'm gonna mix it over the pot so that we don't waste it everywhere, the water. We're gonna mix that all together. Guys, this is the best thing you can put into your greens, your beans. I use that package of seasoning from the Roman noodles in everything. Instead of using the salt, the broth, I make my own. And this time I made some 3 cups of with Lipton soup and 3 cups of the Roman noodles. This is the onion soup that I use. Okay, we're going to stir it. Got our fire going. I'm going to mix that all together. Guys, this is going to be the best greens. We have some greens already in the pot. Now I have these, the other ones that I washed. I'm going to put my turkey wings in and add the rest of the greens. I'm going to mix those all up so they get all the seasonings like the other greens. And we're going to pour the more greens in. And we're going to put it on high heat for 35 minutes with this cover with your top on. Now
Now the greens have
Then
been
after
cooking
35
for
minutes,
35
I'll come
minutes
back.
on high heat. Now we're going to turn it down on medium heat and let them cook for another hour and a half. If you make these greens exactly like I showed you, you will never make greens any other way. Now for the homemade cornbread, I'm going to have 3 cups of cornmeal, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1 cup of buttermilk or whole milk of your choice. It's your cornbread, so you can use buttermilk or whole milk. My cornbread was put in the oven on 350 for about 35 minutes, and this is how it turned out. Delicious! I cooked chicken wings for my meat, and I'll show you that video another day. This is how the greens and cornbread turned out. Delicious! With my chicken wings. This is my plate. Thank you for liking and subscribing to my channel. Hit that subscribe button. This is your girl Shorty B, and I'm out.